We are going to use the trigonometric ratios sine, cosine, and tangent. The sine of A is the ratio between the opposite side and the hypotenuse, 3/5. The cosine of A is the ratio between the adjacent side and the hypotenuse, 4/5. The tangent of A is the ratio between the opposite side and the adjacent side, 3/4. Stop the video here and find the three ratios. Right, did you try? The sine of A is 9/15. The cosine of A is 12/15. The tangent of A is 9/12. Wait, the triangle has the same ratios. How? Well, these two triangles are similar triangles, meaning that the sides are in the same proportion. Similar triangles have same exact angles, and your calculator knows that. Your calculator has this information stored. So take note of these ratios and let's use them. For example, we can use the ratio sine of 30 as the opposite 6 over the hypotenuse x. We write this as an equation and we solve for x. Another example, we can use the ratio cosine of 40 as the adjacent 7.5 over the hypotenuse. We write this as an equation and we solve for y. This is an example where the two sides involved are the opposite and the adjacent. So we use tangent. We write tangent of 52 equals z over 162 and we solve for z. Z equals 207 units. Take note of the trigonometric ratios. In fact, SOH CAH TOA may be easier to remember. They work in right angle triangles. The clue is to identify the right angle triangle. For example, a ladder with legs 5 meters length, 6 meters apart. If we draw this triangle, we will not be able to use the trigonometric ratios. You always have to find the triangle with a 90-degree corner. Same with this hexagonal 4 centimeter side knot. We can divide it into 12 of these right angle triangles. Think of a boat that sails east 5 miles and north 2 miles. What bearing does the boat follow? We want to draw a triangle where the known lengths make a 90-degree angle. We can use trig ratios to find missing lengths or missing angles. Stop the video here and find the missing length. Right. Did you try? Cosine of 37 equals x over 5. So x equals 5 times cosine of 37, 4 meters. Try again. Stop the video here and find the missing length. Right. Tangent of 30 equals 2 over y, so y equals 2 over the tangent of 30. Approximately 3.46 centimeters. Want more practice? Access full courses, quizzes, and worksheets in the link below. Happy learning!